Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see the fireworks. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. We just started to drive. Are you excited already? I'm just excited. Okay, just speak. Yeah, I don't know where the fireworks are, but I know we're gonna get there. Ah, sweet. I can't wait to get there. I'm just gonna sleep over here. It's still dark. Who's driving this car? Oh, Indo's driving, but he's not gonna see the fireworks because he always seen it. So, he's gonna stay in the car. So he's driving. Check his spinal. It's just my mom's driving. It's not actually Indo driving. So I didn't brought the toy with him. So it's just me and Charlie. So don't worry about it. Wait, who are you talking to? Nothing. Nothing. Let's just sit. Okay, I think I see one. Read somewhere in the sky. I think. Oh my God, you're not even looking good enough. You have to look over there. See? Now see the firework. Oh my gosh, I see it. And now it's popping. Oh my gosh. Charlie, I cannot see the fireworks. What? Well, it looks like two. See, I see the popping. See? Huh? Charlie, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with me? Where's it? Oh my gosh, fireworks! Whoa. Any more over there? No. Oh, come on, I missed it. Maybe it's a... Oh, I see one. Okay, I definitely didn't see one because I was only thinking of Subway Surfers. You don't know what Subway Surfers is. Anyways, I saw the firework. Really? Where? Over there, silly. Over there, where? Over there. Oh, come on. It's too late. I know you. Oh my God. Oh, come on. Why are the buildings in the... Oh, I see it. Oh my gosh, I see it. Oh, see it. Oh my gosh, that's solid. Oh my gosh. Maybe I'm just gonna rest for a minute on the grass. Okay. I'm just gonna look over there. Hold on. Sorry about the cameras. Hold on. Camera. There we go, the camera's fixed. Wow. Oh my gosh. Blue, are you getting up? Blue? Okay, I think she's dead. Charlie, I'm not dead, I'm just sleeping. Oh, well you missed the fireworks. Just look, I missed again. Okay, I just moved the rug over, so it's kind of... Okay, so the reason why I moved the rug over here on the street, I can't actually see it. The reason why I did that is because, yeah, I want it to be flat. Yeah, on the grass it was uncomfortable. It was very itchy. Not even, oh, I hear it, but oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. Ah! I saw the firework, but I mean, hear it.
That's the way it was in Seattle. Wet or dry. And it was wet from, say, Halloween through Easter.
Oh my gosh, I saw it! Firework. Any more? Huh? I'm so tired. Maybe they're not. They have to see I have to see the fireworks. One.
Oh I've been to Bob Evans there, but I've never been in the market.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I only found one firework, but Charlie, what are you doing? I'm laying down on the rug. Why? I'm laying down on the rug. Why? I'm laying down on the rug. Okay, but why? I'm laying down. Oh my god, there's so many fireworks on this side. Oh my gosh, Blue, look. Whoa, they look great. I wish I could be like them. If you like them, then you will die. How would I die? Blue rockets explode. They do? Yeah. Who told you? Echo told me. But Echo's dumb. I like the fire. Ash. Hey look, they came back. Oh my gosh, they look so cool. Why don't they show it over there? Now, who cares? I like over there anyway. My word doesn't make sense. Aw, it stopped. I guess we got. Oh, never mind. I guess it. Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my. It's beautiful. Oh, I see it. Oh my gosh, I see it. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at these things. They look so cool. Oh my gosh.
Discharged out of an air base.
Oh my gosh. I like that one.
20 miles.
This is so cool. Smell smoke now. Oh well, I guess we could go home now. Man, can't believe we actually went to the fireworks. I'm tired. Yeah, me too. Hey, Blue? Yes, Charlie? If we're at home, can we play Truth or Dare?